This is Xiaomi Pad Pro, and today I'll show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. So I recommend that you begin by launching the built-in security app, then go into security scan and perform a security scan of your system. Once it elapses, it will provide you with the results, which risks and security breaches and vulnerabilities it has found. So resolve those issues by following the instructions you'll see on your screen. Then you can also launch the Google Play Store app, whatever it is. Then tap at your profile picture. Let me quickly sign into my Google account. So inside the Google Play Store, I will need you to tap on your account's profile picture that you should find at the top right corner of the display. Perhaps I need to restart the Google Play Store. No, I do not need to do that. So tap here, then open the Play Protect and run the Google Play Protect scan. And if this tool will find any harmful apps installed, uninstall those harmful apps right away. And then the final thing that I recommend you try is to check for software and security updates by going into settings. Here we will probably need to go into security or something like that. Let's see, privacy maybe, privacy protection. Nope. Maybe let's go into the additional settings then. Not here as well. Let's see. Or probably that's going to be in the About Tablet. Yep, so enter the About Tablet category. You can also go into System Apps, Updater, and update them here. Or actually just go into the security status and check for the security updates. So Google Play Protect is all up to date. And the update you can actually check for is Google Play System Update. Go here and check for those updates, since the software updates are usually, or in most scenarios, are designed to actually, well, fix the known security threats. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.